Okay, here's a little portable mini vacuum for the car. Here's everything you get with it. You get the little extending hose there. Of course, you get your charger cord, your USB cord. You have your crevice tool and another little tool to go onto this one here, I'm assuming, because I haven't used this one yet. And the little brush one there, and you get an extra filter, and you get a nice little carrying case with it, little pouch. This thing is really nice. It's got some weight to it, and it's got some power to it as well. That's slow. So you got two settings, actually three there, and it's got some really good power. I mean, real good power. Get it off there. Yeah, I like the design of it. It's like I said, it's got some weight to it. You could tell it was made very well. It's got really good suction power. And the charge, I charged this up yesterday and I used it, and it's still got almost a full charge to it. So that's a good thing. It does hold the charge for a while. I haven't let it run all the way out yet after I fully charged it, but I already did my car once with it, and it's still going strong. Probably took me about 15 minutes to do the car, and I was running it on kind of like the medium speed there. Anyway, it's really nice. I like it. It's got really good suction power. Not a lot to it, but you don't need a lot. It does a really good job. I'm actually impressed by it.